Stand has many meanings in English. Let's learn a few. Most commonly, stand is a verb, which means to be in a vertical position on your feet. I am standing at my desk. We can also use stand as a transitive verb, which means to endure. My phone can stand a lot of damage. We can also use can't stand for things which are difficult to endure or really annoying. I can't stand the noise in my office. We can also use stand to describe the action of buying something nice for someone. I will stand you dinner this evening. Finally, to stand on one's own feet. This is a fixed expression which means learn to be independent. Your parents might say, "It's time you got a job and stood on your own 2 feet."